We are pleased to show you the 2024 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sunroof, trailer brake controller, luggage rack. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, keyless start, power outlet, climate control, console. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.